Hello guys, I customized Nvim so much it does not even look like a Nvim anymore. Let's see what it can do. Alright guys, now I am in Fedora Linux because I use Linux for my work, and let's see what NeKoNvim really can do. Open a terminal according to your operating system, then write Nvim for opening Neovim. Look at this guys, beautiful right? Every time you open a Neovim, a new cat appear. Random cat, price cat, you never know which cat will judge your code today. I know guys, you have a lot of questions related to NeKoNvim, why people use it when there are many popular editors like VS Code are available. Look at this bottom bar, beautiful right? Cosmic color is glowing like a cat's eyes. It changes color according to modes. If we go in normal mode, it changes color. Now it's time to show you the code runner. You just need to press space plus R. It automatically run everything like this. You don't even need to compile. It does all that for you. Save so much time. Now it's time to show you the most interesting part of this section. You just need to click Ctrl plus F. You will see a sidebar which looks so beautiful. Now the most important part which I want to tell you is that my NeKoNvim theme is totally depend on your terminal theme. If your terminal is black, then it will show you black theme. If your terminal is transparent like me, then it will show you a transparent theme, and so on. Why I built this config? This is the main question. I built this concept for those people who want to code but they don't have a good laptop. Even their laptop can't support VS Code. When they are trying to run VS Code, their laptop got freeze. You know that VS Code take 500 MB RAM. I think it take more than 500 MB RAM. But you can easily run NeKoNvim on your garbage system if you have a not good system like me. I think my system is good for me. But what about you guys? So that's why I built this config for you. I added a really helpful function for music listener to keep you away from distraction, and this function will be really helpful for you guys. Look at the bottom, it says YouTube with the input field. Next to it, you just type your song and it will automatically play search YouTube and play it for you. But I can't play actual song here because of copyright, YouTube rules, but trust me, it works perfectly. Just type any song name and can play it for you. You can also stop by pressing the key leader plus M plus S. You can also read the documentation which I give in the description. It's really helpful for you if you want to use it. Guys, this is the last step of this video. I'm going to show you how to download and install everything. First, let me delete my own Nvim folder so I can show you from scratch. Now here I am using rm-rr command for removing folder and also data. So it done. Now folder gone. Neovim look completely empty, plain sad, no cat. Let's fix that. Let's move to the browser. Now write https://github/hack legend Hamid. Oh, I forget one thing. .com, github.com. So .com. Now it's done now. Okay. This is my GitHub profile, guys. You can see. Also give a star if you like my repo. Just click on my profile picture, then you will see a repo called NeKoNvim. Just click on it. Now I'm in repo. You can see the dashboard. You can also read all this stuff. I read it. It's a very good thing if you read, otherwise it will give you error. I download for Fedora because I'm using Fedora Linux. So I am back. I just using a single command which I copied from my GitHub repo. Now I'm writing my password. Wait. Alright, it done. It take little bit time, so don't worry guys. Alright, everything is going good. Now guys, you can see the dashboard. It's look again pretty cool. I also give a link of my repo in the description. You can also check it from the description below.